Hi, I'm Sean. I'm the production manager here at Stikwood. Today we're going to be talking about how to install Stikwood around your outlets and switches. Before we start, make sure that the breaker for the outlet you're going to be working on is switched off. First, we're going to remove the faceplate of the outlet and loosen the two outlet screws. Create two shims to stick behind the outlet. A shim is a little piece of wood that will hold the outlet away from the wall so that the switch still sticks out of the outlet plate once you reapply. Run the first board up to the edge of the outlet, and then your second board will only need to be cut into the shape of an L. Once your Stikwood is on the wall, go ahead and tighten the screws back up, replace the faceplate and tighten those screws down. You did it, ta-da! For more information and instructional videos, please visit our website at stikwood.com.